Hey guys, it's Trip with IFT. Now IFT is a lifestyle automation platform that helps you automate your life. And one part of my life that I definitely needed to start automating was reaching out to friends. I felt like I haven't been that good of a friend recently. I'm trying to just connect with some friends that kind of live far away that I haven't really got to see on a daily basis and just be able to kind of interact with them more deeply and more intentionally. So I've developed a few applets that helps me automatically pull from a spreadsheet and send a text message to a random phone number on that spreadsheet. So there's three pieces to this automation. One, a spreadsheet that houses all of your friends' phone numbers. The second applet is the applet that basically updates that spreadsheet on a day-to-day basis, which causes that randomization feature. And then the third applet is the actual text message applet. So it'll call a value from that cell and then send a text message to that person. And this has been really cool because I've been able to just start conversations automatically with a lot of these friends who I haven't been able to really keep in touch with over the past few months. All right, check it out. So this is that spreadsheet I was telling you about. It's honestly pretty simple. So all you really need is a column that calls on specific phone numbers that you want to start texting. So throw in anywhere from like 10 to 20 of your friends' phone numbers. Personally, I put a name next to them just so I can kind of count them off whenever I'm building that spreadsheet. And then you want to put this formula into, I did A1 just because that's kind of the primary focus of this spreadsheet, but I'll include this formula in the blog post attached YouTube video. And then you're also going to want to call, so equals A1 on a different cell. And that's the cell you're going to use whenever you're texting that phone number. Whenever IFT calls from this spreadsheet, it just helps to have a more simple value that it can pull from whenever it's sending that text message. And finally, there's going to be a daily cell update. So applet 2, we're going to need to basically ping this spreadsheet with a variable, which will update the spreadsheet and then cause this random formula to function. All right. So let's start building our first applet. Our first applet, very simple. All it includes is a date and time applet, and then it updates a spreadsheet wherever your spreadsheet is. So if we actually click into that, you'll see 12 a.m. every single day. It will send a value to this check time. It could be any value, but to the cell value I want in that spreadsheet. And then you also need to make sure that you have a drive folder that shares the same folder path name and spreadsheet name. All right, let's make our final applet. Our final applet gets a little bit more technical, and this is perfect for pro users. So again, choose a specific date and time that you want to send those text messages. I chose 10 a.m. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So 3 times a week, I'm just randomly, spontaneously creating conversations with some friends. Now it's going to update, it's going to pull from that specific cell, and then this is that spreadsheet URL that it's going to call, which is the same URL used in that spreadsheet. And finally, it's going to send a text message to the value. We basically want the value that we query or in the earlier step, and then just send a plain text message. Well, there you go. Hopefully you can use it to become a better friend. And again, it's Trip with IFT, where we believe everything and everyone works better together. Thanks, guys.